Spirit loading.
Welcome back to another episode of Cocktail Bastards. This is a show where I, Sam Slide, my friend,
Frankie Bombay.
we make cocktails that you may or may not have heard of, and sometimes we put our own little spin on it. The long and the short is we bastardize them a little bit because we're just a couple of bastards.
All right, today we have White Russians, which were initially coined by a guy named Gustav Tops, and they came to the United States, or talked about the United States in 1965. And yeah, it's been a huge hit ever since.
Honestly, until right now, I didn't realize it was 2 shots of Kahlua and 2 shots of vodka and heavy f***ing cream.
No, it's pretty simple.
If you make it right, there's a buttload of ice in it, which yours does not have a buttload of ice. Yours has
Enough ice. Enough.
Yours has an admirable amount of ice. Mine has 0 ice because, well, I don't know if you've noticed yet or not, but this is the 3rd episode of Cocktail Bastards, and we don't exactly have all the proper equipment or knowledge or know-how to do any of this. So
It's kind of our thing.
yeah,
I feel like, yeah.
Imagine my surprise when I opened up the freezer and our ice trays were just f***ing empty. I still had enough shot glasses. I can dump 2 shots of vodka and Kahlua into a glass and then top it up with a little heavy cream. And that's really all it is, which is why, without really having much of this cocktail, I already love it. It's simplicity.
It's very good.
It's so simple.
Your stomach's gonna feel it though. If you're lactose intolerant, we have better things coming for you. But
Yeah, you're just gonna be spray painting the walls with your asshole if you're lactose intolerant. Unlike previous episodes, we've already kind of clearly been getting into this.
yeah, I mean,
We're a couple of bastards, and we're gonna see just how bastardy we can get with this here cocktail. So,
we'll see how it plays out.
Frankie, are you ready to we're gonna get into the depths.
We're going bottoms up already.
I'm just saying, we're gonna investigate several of these cocktails and see what happens. So,
Buckle up.
Oh, my Frankie. Oh, Mr. Happy Easter. We have been drinking on some White Russians. We magically found some more ice because you need ice for this cocktail.
The lukewarm White Russians are disgusting.
I want to say that lukewarm cocktails are just the way to go, but it's not. That's not it. You need ice cold. Ice.
Room temperature is a problem.
Ice cold. Room temperature is a problem.
Especially with dairy. Like, who's had room temperature milk? Yeah, not okay. But right now, this is tasting phenomenal, to be honest with you. What do you think?
That's absolutely correct. I feel amazing too. What's your steez on this, Frankie?
Okay, I think this is a great cocktail. The Big Lebowski is an awesome movie, but you gotta be careful because this is gonna f up your stomach. Even if you're not lactose intolerant, I feel like we're screwed tomorrow.
You're not wrong.
It's delicious, but you can just feel the weight. You know, it's like, we'll see.
Tastes kind of like chocolate milk, doesn't it?
So it's not a half bastard, but it's a board bastard.
It could be multiple bastards, but
It's multiple bastards. It's good though. Like
the real concoction in our head is what you said. The Big Lebowski is the obvious attribute to this cocktail. So
do you feel more zen? Do you feel this is just who we are?
I feel like I am just the dude.
His whole point is just to be that person. Be in the moment, as you guys should be, as we are. I think that's it. Like, there's nothing else to it. It's just like, hey man, I'm a dude. I don't really have a definition. So, I like, the White Russian is a phenomenal, but.
And yours has got a bunch of liqueur at the bottom.
It's good. We should just be and relax and be a cocktail bastard on the couch.
We should be a bastard. All right. So the last cocktail we did was eggnog. It was Easter eggnog because
True.
we love semantics here. So A. That being said, where would you put? All right. We gave that one if I remember correctly, we gave Easter eggnog a half a bastard because it was full of cream and we didn't want to drink it all night.
Well, the thing
Frankie, where would you give this one right now and here and now?
we think about cocktails as like a big, like Kelly Mocha was, you know, a group cocktail. The other, like eggnog is a group cocktail. This is more like a personal thing.
That was some garbage, yeah.
Yeah, it's like I don't know, it's a personal drink, so.
So what you're saying is that this is not one you make for other people.
No, like, I mean, could you imagine putting that in a big group? Like, or like a big bowl and like something?
Oh, hell no. No, I'm talking like, I would make it for somebody, like, I'm gonna put some.
Someone that's never had.
I'm gonna put some garbage in your f***ing glass.
Bastard. I'll give it a bastard.
Okay.
What do you think?
If I'm being honest, I'm giving it the same half bastard as as eggnog because of the same f***ing problem. It's got heavy cream in it.
It's true. It's not like.
It's not.
It's not an all-night drinker. It's not a bastard of a cocktail in that way. All right. Is it bad that I can adjust my? Can I do that?
There's nothing bad to it.
No, but like, yeah.
That being said,
I'll go down.
I am willing to amend my assessment.
Ooh.
That's bad deals, Daisy.